So now on our USD Swiss franc for the day, we'll probably be seeing our price actually still fall around this our area here, because we are seeing an M movement. As we can see here, a bullish move. We had this come down, and we actually have a push up again, and we are having a fall again, giving us an M movement. So I'm still aiming to our price to hit this area here for the day, because one thing is that our USD index, as we are analyzing, would actually be falling, and it is actually falling this week. We can see it here. Day before yesterday, our price was bearish. Yesterday we had a bearish move, but now our price has opened bullish. Definitely we will still be closing bearish for the day. As we can see, our price, we are still currently at Sydney session, close to our Tokyo session. By the time our price we had on probably on our London session, close to our New Year session, definitely we should have seen our price up, should have hit this area here. So we're actually still going to be going bullish, by the way, but we will be seeing a fall on our USD Swiss franc. You can see it here on our 4-hour time frame. We can mark it as our price ranging within this area here. So we are aiming for our price to fall. As we can see here, our price is actually ranging within this area here. So we are aiming for our price to actually fall. When our price breaks below it, then we'll continue our bearish move for our USD Swiss franc. We are all aiming for. We can see our price ranging here. So above all, our USD to Swiss franc, we are aiming for a fall. That is our analysis. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share if you find this video helpful.